0.
Restart? No way.
Yeah, I think I did the start. It's like a 1 or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
1 second or something.
Okay, nigga, yeah, I'm chillin' with my nigga D, about to see what the fuck that we bring, bitch, it's real, we don't give a fuck the trill, shit, we bring it to the table, yeah, we able to do what the fuck we want, a nigga can do, anything that we can, we will stand on our 2 feet, bitch, hit is from Adam, man, but my nigga, baby, in the bag, but he ain't tryna speak, we don't give a fuck, bitch, we'll show you what's not weak, strong in a motherfucker, call us fucking diamonds, we are shining, winning bitches all around, and they lining in a line, because they timing, yeah, our shit, because I think we running from them, now they running to them, bitch, what you is on. Okay, we about to get this shit real strong. Looney Goons in this bitch trill, no, that's real wrong, unless she is wanting it. Yeah, that cunt is on my mind, so I'm all about it, but I'm about to rhyme. Okay, now I don't even give a damn what the fuck you tryna say, because I got my fucking plan. I'ma stand on my own 2 feet, no, I don't give a fuck. I'm the man, bitch, and I don't really know what's up. I can flip and not give a fuck, though. I'ma pick it right back up. Yeah, you hear the flow, bitch. I don't give a fuck. It's over when I come through. You and your crew talking shit, what it is, dude. I'ma bring it harder than a motherfucking pistol. Hear that, bitch? When it rings at your head, it's a whistle, nigga. So official, nigga. Yeah, we bring the fucking trigger. We don't give a fuck. This Looney Goons, LENT with the crew, bitch. Lil Tune, shout out Lil B, nigga, yeah, we gonna murder this shit, they gon' see what the fuck we on. Okay, nigga, we gon' do it like they never own. The shit we own, in a different zone, time zone, you can't see it, bitch, I'm so high up in space, bitch, better believe it, it's chillin' with God, nigga, yeah, that is my father, fuck your father, he's a bitch, you are a bastard, and your mama was sucking my dick last night. Bitch did it so good, her pussy is so tight. I swear to G.O.D., matter of fact, no I don't, but I'ma take a pussy over, better throw the salt over your shoulder. I'ma use that line, nigga, cause you're gonna need the luck, fuck, what the fuck you talking about, bitch, yeah, that's... Okay, I'm slipping, but I do not give a damn, bitch, yeah, yes I am, man, baby boy, and here's the plan. Yeah, I'ma show ya, I'ma bring it to your front door. Show the whole course, I'ma bring it like the course, but I never spit a course, cause I'm just on a freestyle. When you wanna see wow, sit your fucking sea child down, bitch, I'm going for the float, see the boat, that's a yacht, yes I told, with the Glock, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I never owe money, bitch, wanna get swole, ho, dummy, who wanna fuck with me, I don't know, I'm starting, yes, to lose it. I'm drunk, I'm feeling really good, just cruising with my nigga D, yeah. Fuck what you saying. Bitch games, yeah, we are never playing, jokes never telling, nigga, yes, we are compelling. When the lives are in our fucking hands, we will just take it, bitch, and we murder. But them pussies, yeah, you heard of whatever that we be on, niggas, see the shit, we strong on the whiskey. Bitch, yeah, she miss me. But yeah, we hit the bud, why the after that we flood, why the after that she good. But I know what I am saying, bitch, and I don't give a fuck for Wayne, the ransom playing, bitch. I'ma kidnap a pussy nigga if he wanna go. Ask his mama for the money if I'm ready when I blow, bitch, on the whole house up, yeah, the C4. I'ma let your hoe know, I'ma let your hoe know what my dick about, bitch. Yeah, seen it, fuck her, Alex, number 2, it's over, the scene is over, bitch, cut, yeah, never seen that act, I don't give a fuck, bitch, no rolling on that unless the blunt's a pearl. Yeah, you hear it clearly. I'm flipping up a little bit, but fearing is what I'm seeing in your eyes. Yes, I recognize what the fuck I'm finna tie, like the ties in my size is 5'7", bitch. Heaven is heaven rich, hood rich is what I am, and I don't give a fuck a damn, bitch. Go ahead and just sit your ass down, because I'm about to show your ass a fucking ass clown. Go ahead and pass up blunt for me, cause I'm trying to get high, but we already smoking, so these niggas are not fly like we is, nigga. I'm not talking about whiz, nigga. I'm just talking about this plane that we chillin' in, nigga. 2 gone. Let me go. LNT, baby boy, going on. Shout out Lil Tune, Big D in the building.
Big D?
Yeah.
Yeah.